Here they come. They went to the left.
Yeah.
Yeah, oh my god.
Where?
It's right next to the Jeep.
Huyu alikuwa anapanda. Unajua ile nao wengine wanakimbia akipata ile harufu si ya tu ya kwamba hivi kama ni video. Anasema kama ni kufa. Hiyo kitu yani anasema hizi kufa wamekipanga. Ameweka pia. Lakini na video haingii. Maana hata hizo kazi. Hata sasa bongo wanakataa kuja huku kwa sababu ya magari.
That's pretty spectacular. See, there's the wounded one.
Yeah.
It's actually right in front.
Shaking too.
Yeah.
Not well. Could be the one that they target too.
Mm-hmm.
Alafu ule mmoja alipoona mwangaza mkamata wewe alimweka kwenye kinga akaenda akaambia. Mbona sasa ile alipokamatwa alikuwa peke yake kabisa alimwacha. Lakini wakati anakamatwa hapo makucha sasa hivi tambo hii.
Means how wounded he is, I suppose, doesn't it?
He's going to get left again. They're going to leave him again.
The others aren't closing in.
No, his back legs is fucked.
He's gone. Jess, get ready.
They know it. Coming in. The others all chasing the others. It's
He's gone.
He's gone.
who's the others?
Jess, you getting it? Here they come. Can they not kick?
But the other ones.
Oh, here comes the whole herd again.
There's another line coming around from the other side.
Where's the male line come?
The male's over on the right.
Same one. País.
Video will not do this justice.
No.
Yeah.
Nenda mbele kidogo. Mimi kidogo tu.
They're all closing in.
Yeah. Wait. Why are we going?
Where we go?
No. Stop. Don't adjust.
Fine like it is.
Kidogo kulikuwa na shughuli kidogo.
Let them go to the front.
Hapa ndio kama ulivyo. Hapa toka.
No, there's a is there a jackal behind?
Yeah. Oh, it's fine.
Is there a jackal behind you?
Yeah. But the jackal's waiting for...
Yeah, I know. So I'm just saying he's looking.
They're all trying to clean him. But he's still right in the front again.
Well,
I don't think he moved very well.
Too wounded.
He's old.
I wish I had a way to steady this camera better.
We move, they take our spot.
Yeah.
Right, yeah. No.
Yeah.
Because
Our good fortune.
that guy's probably not going to move at this point. It's probably right here.
This one is not going anywhere yet, and it goes slow. Yes, these lines all coming closer.
And they're trying to now draw him away again, which they're succeeding.
Where's the big one?
He's off on the side, being lazy.
That's all the ladies do all the way.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, the ladies always go.
Oh, yeah, it's 5 over there.
4, 5, 6, 7 with the male, 8 in the background, 9 over there.
Oh, it's about 10.
Yeah, there's 9 or 10, or maybe even a couple more.
I haven't got a shot from here, but can I get it next to you, Paul?
Yeah,
Oh,
No, if I can get it next to Paul on this side.
all
of the road.
stand, yeah.
No, I'm right here. Is everyone right now?
yep.
7.
How you doing on memory card space?
Couple over the other side.
What?
7 here.
Vile sio wamejaribu hapa watampiga.
Yeah, it's 10, I think. I think it's 10.
Kwanza mimi nimeona kikamatiwa.
Where's the 16 gig card?
In the front of my backpack. And the memory card.
Right. This is amazing.
Where is he? Oh, there it is. He's moving, he's not very well. Definitely not well, that one.
No, we have a good
no.
view. We have a good view.
Yeah, we're very good. Thank you.
Yeah.
We're great. Very, very good.
We're perfect.
Oh, they're just
The male is still laying over on the side.
Is that really young, that one?
Where's the younger one?
Yeah.
It's pretty funny.
The furry, raw furry. Is that the? Is he really
Oh,
young?
why are they moving the truck that the lions are right next to?
Alright. Just watch that for a second. It's still recording. Can you bring it over here?
That one is lying down, that's it.
Is it lying down?
The lines now.
Oh, it's lying down there.
Oh, yeah. Here, Jess, can you get a picture of it lying down?
He's not gonna make it.
It's moving about the other side.
Lions are very patient.
Let some away.
Yeah. But they're all over here now. It's not good. The lions. They're all happy. It's like close. We read through all the walls and they can't really enjoy it. Yeah, they just have a girl on there.
How long will they wait to protect them?
They got all the time. Lines.
Jess, the 16 gig card has lock on it?
It should be fine.
Okay. I'm holding it in my hand.
Okay.
Battery good?
Yeah.
Oh, that's the top one.
Just watch that one.
What I'm a little surprised at is that there's 5 or 6, 7 here. And
One.
there's none trying to draw away.
There is on the other side.
There's one over there.
And there's one on that side too that I've seen. That's it.
There's two crouching down there. The cats can't reach down. The males, where's the male now?
Oh. don't know what happened to the male. Maybe he was laying in the shade of one of the cars. Being even more lazy.
He's like, call me when you're ready.
Is this gonna take long?
Whoa, that's it, bro.
One heat. No. Actually, the league are back.
Is one buffalo enough to feed all these lions?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I might hunt 2 days from now again, but
Yeah, it'd be enough for 2 days.
mm.
It's interesting. It looks like moving.
Bullseye.
Yeah, they're just waiting until they get bored.
Hapana, tunajaribu sana kuulizia tofauti za Kenya.
Oh, is that the male?
No, behind. I'm still sitting right back there.
Isn't it?
Leaves with the back.
They're leaving again. You have pictures of them trying to clean it?
Yeah.
What's your memory card status?
188.
Here it goes. That's a lot of lions. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 lions right here. Wow. Was not expecting this.
Oh, is it? Yeah,
Is he moving?
no.
Picture. The end, the end, the end. Guess
Yeah.
card.
140.
Well, that seems like a bad idea too.
Yeah.
One of the lions might have got stabbed.
Is it? I don't think so. I think it was good.
1.30.
Most of the herd's moving on.
Moving away.
Nani kinachowafanya wao wajasiri hivi ni
So
njaa?
distance too.
Ndio. Ongeza aje. Lakini lazima huyo watampiga
There we
chini,
go
wale
again.
wengine watachoka watakimbia. Eh.
Not able to run.
Wasibaki
It's fine
wachache
if we go for
watakimbia.
the tail first.
Oh, it's almost down. Oh,
Did we put one on the side of the...
Hawanasamehe sasa.
That wasn't the one that was wounded though, was it?
yeah, it was.
It was?
That little one's getting into an odd place.
Oh, someone's getting honey.
No.
Oh, are they really trying to mate in the middle of all this?
Yes.
There you go.
Hey, you know, fear is an aphrodisiac, right?
No.
That one's like, are you serious? Come on, get a room.
don't see the wounded one.
Yeah, he was bleeding.
Probably still is bleeding.
Yeah, but I don't see him.
There was enemy coming over here around this one. Is this the one that's sick?
Oh, maybe it's that one. See? There's some red on his back. They're kind of pushing him in the middle. His head's not the one. One's looking at it. He's the one right in front of us. Run.
Yeah, come over here, lady.
Over here on the left. Or on the right.
What do you mean on the right?
Right here.
Come on, this is
Oh, wow. They're gonna come right through us at this rate.
not bad.
Mchezo mzuri bwana. Wale wawili. Sasa wamewahi, unaona faida ya muungano bwana. Unajua wale walikuwa
This spot is fun here.
What's over there, Paul? More lions? Where? Is that one laying? There is one laying right there.
Yeah.
Huh.
Baby? A young one?
I saw the other people.
No, he came. He came from the other side.
No, but he's not here.
Yeah, he's there.
He went away
He
around and he
walked
just
from
came in
the left side.
on the left side.
I
Yeah.
don't see him.
Back away. One less.
I think we saw enough lions.
You know, it's the first killer that I've seen.
No, you haven't
My
seen.
time.
Really?
You haven't seen the kill.
Yeah, he did a really good job.
Yeah.
And we got a perfect spot.
Yeah. Yeah.
How many meters away is that?
100 meters tops.
It's about 30.
30. Yeah, it's still.
They're not nice.
I want to see them eat it because then they start fighting with each other.
Oh, that's at the end. Yeah,
I think right now there's enough red.
Didn't have that anymore. There you go.
Just can I look through the zoom lens for a little bit?
You want the binoculars?
No, this works fine.
I've got binoculars if you want some.
Okay.
I'll have a look.
Right behind you.
They're still not eating it yet.
They already started.
I've been nibbling on it. Fine. Is that the male?
No.
Yeah. Got red face. One of them's got
That was the one that did most of the work. That's a young male, maybe?
There's two young males.
Two young males. The other one that you had him by the nose, there's one sitting up, that's the other young male. I think we have to say we've had a very good trip. Right?
I think we have to sit there.
You okay, Jess?
All right. Yeah.
Oh, poor Jess. It's the way things work.
Anyone else want to see the binoculars? Just move them behind you again.
I'm moving forward.
Just shuffle forward and I'll look over again.
Back again. Here you go.
No, you're right. That's perfect. I just had a good set, just an awkward angle. We all went straight from there, so all right.
Yeah.
Stand it now.
Is that good enough for you?
I still want to see the mongoose.
We want the hyena to chase away the lions that we
Yeah,
know.
where are the vultures?
Yeah, right.
No, that's fair.
Don't we want the hyena now to chase away the lions?
I don't think that happens.
It does. But usually it's more solitary, not this many.
Not this one.
Nothing will bother these guys.
But
There'll be some scraps left on the bones for the birds to pick at.
Anyone want to go try and taste a piece of buffalo?
You see that second bull that came and just butted it.
Yeah, I reckon he put it in.
Yeah.
euthanasia, I think that was a
Crippled
euthanasia.
him.
Yeah, he was loading him up.
Yeah, they knew he was down and it was
Giving you.
from there, didn't they?
Preoccupied, so bush toilets will be okay now.
Yeah, I think
Yeah.
probably.
Well, there's
Clear out the back, but there's a couple behind us.
there's another line. There was another line back here. There he is. His head's up. It's another male.
Female, isn't it? Where is he?
Right there.
Oh, yeah.
I think we can continue now.
What?
I think we can continue now.
Yeah.
There's a move from.
He's waiting. He's waiting. He's not ready.
Letting them live there, the first part, and then walking and chatting.
Where's that? Where's that? Which one?
There's another male over here.
Big one.
It looks like a full moon.
I think it's the big boy that walked around. I don't think the big one's in there yet, is it?
I thought he went around
No, I
from
think-
the left.